Okay, welcome to session 7, Exploring Future Opportunities with CFHT. Next slide, please. And in keeping with the theme that Jean-Gabriel introduced, I'll point to it again. The Hawaiian proverb, "Ika wa ma'amua, ika wa mahope," which loosely translates to learning from the past guides the future. So with that thought in mind, I thought I'd start by taking you back to the last users meeting in, thank you, 2023 in France. Next slide, please. So at that time, you recall I was interim director. I've got 2 slides, which are my overview slides, my summary slides from that meeting to show you where we were and, to think about what has changed. And so back in 2022, we had just recovered from an earthquake. We were seeing image quality problems in Megacam. Other than that, all other instruments, including Grace's, was performing to spec. Next slide, please. So we had a successful early shutdown, which was required in order to fix the earthquake damage to the primary mount. Since then, of course, Citel and WordCam have been slated for decommissioning by the SAC. Grace's MOU was not renewed by Gemini, so Grace's is no more. The Spiro upgrade was very successful, and of course, Megacam image quality was repaired. Next slide, please. In addition to that, Act 255, which is the act that has given MKSOA control of the summit, was not signed into law yet, although it was on the floor, and MKSOA was in the process of forming. Astro 2020 had just come out. The MSC project office was busy preparing to start PDP. Of course, we didn't have money to do that, but we were doing what we could. And in parallel, we were submitting proposals for the MSC Pathfinder, and that Pathfinder was consistent, we thought, with addressing the mid-scale priorities from Astro 2020 and risk reduction. And Sam Barton in the project office had just won an ATI proposal to develop some critical technology for MSC, or for any fiber-fed system, actually. Next slide, please. And so today, MSC Pathfinder was not funded. MSC has been paused. As I said, Sam won this proposal, and we had another proposal that's going to allow CFHT to join into AON. Next slide, please. So here's the board resolution. You people have all seen this and know it. The board has recognized that MSC in some form is the best long-term plan for CFHT, but due to funding reasons, there is no additional funding at the moment out of CFHT's budget to carry the project office. Project office has been disbanded, and MSC as a project has been buttoned up in terms of the documentation package, but it is fully paused at this point. They also have stated that the observatory, through consultation with the SAC and the user community, all of you, may explore alternatives to MSC, and that's what this session is about. It's to kick off the process for the user community to think about new ideas, be they new technology or incremental improvements on what we have, or maybe the new idea is just to keep doing what we're doing. Next slide, please. So we did have a brainstorming session at CFHT, and we talked about some large upgrades. We did mention the idea of GLAO, the 6-meter primary maybe, which is the concept that the DESI team is working on for their 4-meter telescopes. Maybe new wide field corrector with a new wider megacam, or a new MOS system with a wider field of view, or a tumbler that allows you to switch between the two of these remotely, or massive IFU. Next slide. And then a series of incremental improvements, which I'm not going to go through right now. But when we come back to the discussion, I will put this up as it might be something you may or may not want to explore.